Picture yourself gazing at the star-filled night sky, pondering the mysteries of the universe. The universe is a grand tapestry, woven with billions of galaxies, each teeming with countless stars. Within this cosmic expanse, it's estimated that there are potentially millions of planets that could harbor life as we know it. Now consider this. If the universe is so vast and brimming with innumerable stars and planets, why haven't we come across any signs of extraterrestrial life? With the abundance of potentially habitable worlds, one would assume that we should have made contact by now. Yet the eerie silence from the cosmos persists. This bewildering conundrum presents a fundamental question: where is everybody? This is not just a casual query, but a profound enigma that has puzzled thinkers, astronomers, and scientists alike. This profound question forms the basis of what we call the Fermi paradox. So what exactly is this Fermi paradox? Let's dive in. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, the Fermi paradox is a cosmic puzzle that grapples with the apparent contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of contact or evidence for such civilizations. Think about it. The universe is nearly 14 billion years old, and our galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars, many of which could host planets much like our own. So, if there's even a minuscule chance of life developing elsewhere, the universe should be teeming with civilizations. Yet, here we are, seemingly alone. This is the crux of the Fermi paradox. It questions why, despite the vastness of the universe and the potential for life, we have not detected any signs of extraterrestrial civilizations. This paradox leaves us wondering if we are alone in the universe. Now imagine there's an unseen wall in the universe, a barrier that wipes out civilizations before they can reach us. This is the Great Filter. It's a concept that attempts to explain the eerie silence of the cosmos, a potential solution to the Fermi paradox. The Great Filter theory suggests that at some point from pre-life to a Type 3 civilization, a galactic civilization that can harness the energy of an entire galaxy, there's a wall. A wall so challenging to overcome that it filters out civilizations, preventing them from becoming spacefaring or communicating species. It could be anything. Maybe it's the leap from non-living matter to life, or perhaps it's the jump from simple to complex organisms. It might even be the transition to a civilization that can colonize its galaxy. This filter, if it exists, could be ahead of us or behind us, and that makes a world of difference. Suppose we've already passed the Great Filter. What does that mean? Well, let's entertain the thought. If the Great Filter is something we've already overcome, it might be a highly improbable event in our past. Think about the leap from non-life to life. The odds of this happening are astronomically low. It's like winning a universal lottery. We're talking about the random, perfect alignment of conditions and elements needed to spark the first primitive life forms. Imagine that this cosmic lottery is the Great Filter. If we've won it, that means we've hurdled over an almost insurmountable barrier to existence. This could explain why we haven't spotted any extraterrestrial neighbors yet. They might still be stuck, unable to hit that winning number combination. If this is the case, we might be among the very few, if not the only, life forms to have made it this far. And that in itself is a mind-boggling thought. On the other hand, what if the Great Filter is yet to come? Brace yourself, because this scenario is a bit more unsettling. Imagine for a moment that the road to becoming an advanced civilization is paved with insurmountable challenges. Perhaps we're not alone in the universe, but the silence isn't due to a lack of life. Instead, it's because civilizations are unable to navigate the treacherous waters of technological advancement without capsizing. Could it be that the Great Filter is a future event? A technological disaster, global pandemic, or other civilization-ending occurrence might be looming on the horizon. We could be hurtling towards an unseen precipice, a point of no return that has claimed countless civilizations before us. This idea is chilling, to say the least. It suggests that civilizations might be doomed to self-destruction, unable to overcome the hurdles that stand between them and the stars. This possibility suggests that civilizations might inevitably destroy themselves before becoming advanced enough to reach out to others. So where does this leave us in our cosmic quest? The Fermi paradox and the Great Filter have sparked a myriad of viewpoints, each as fascinating as the other. On one hand, some believe that we have already passed the Great Filter, suggesting that life is rare in the universe. On the other hand, some argue that the Great Filter lies ahead of us, implying a potentially grim future for our civilization. Then there are those who propose different theories altogether. Some suggest that advanced civilizations might be avoiding contact, while others believe that we might not be looking in the right way or at the right time. This ongoing debate, laden with uncertainties, underscores the sheer vastness of the cosmos and the mysteries it continues to harbor. No definitive answer has been found yet, and perhaps that's what makes it all the more intriguing. The universe, it seems, still holds its secrets close. As we conclude our cosmic journey today, remember that the beauty of science lies in our quest for answers. Our exploration of the Fermi paradox and the Great Filter has merely scratched the surface of these intriguing concepts. No doubt, there's an entire universe of possibilities out there, waiting to be discovered. So, what's your take on the Fermi paradox? Do you think we've passed the Great Filter, or is it still ahead of us? Perhaps you've got a completely different perspective. That's the exciting part. There's always room for fresh thinking and new theories. Let's continue this conversation. Share your thoughts, ideas, and hypotheses in the comments below. Let's fuel the fire of curiosity together, sparking dialogues that could lead to the next big scientific discovery. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join us on future journeys through the wonders of science. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering. Who knows what mysteries you might uncover?